It's hard to believe ChatGPT is your friend, always ready to receive your questions till the end. With its vast knowledge and quick thinking mind, ChatGPT can solve problems of any kind. Whether you need a recipe or the answer to a quiz, ChatGPT is always here to help with ease. So if you're ever stuck and need a little aid, just hop on the chat interface and let ChatGPT be your aid. For ChatGPT is the motorbike of the digital age, and with it by your side you're sure to turn the page. It's like having a genie but without the lamp. With ChatGPT by your side you're always in command. So let's give thanks to this amazing tool for making our lives easier and helping us rule. The world of information is at our fingertips, and with ChatGPT as our guide we'll never miss a trick. So let's ride into the future with ChatGPT as our ride, and with it, we'll conquer all the challenges we find. From science to history, to language and math, ChatGPT is a treasure trove of information to have. It can write you a poem or a love letter too. It can help with your homework and make sure it's all true. ChatGPT is the motorbike that speeds through the internet, bringing answers to your fingertips without any regret. It's a tool for the future and a friend for the now. ChatGPT is here to help you and show you how to unlock your potential and make your dreams come true. With ChatGPT as your companion, there's nothing you can't do. So let's give 3 cheers to this amazing tool, ChatGPT. We thank you for making us all so cool. If the PC was like a bicycle for the mind, ChatGPT is the motorbike that leaves it behind. With the chat interface as big a jump as the graphical user interface, it's no slump. Sometimes it gets it wrong, even hallucinates for so long. But don't we all make mistakes? ChatGPT makes up for them with no breaks. It writes code for you, so you don't have to sit through the long hours of learning, just to make your dream app a turning. Now, you can build apps, with just an idea and ChatGPT, no perhaps. It's like a superpower, that you can use to make things flower. So let's give a round of applause to ChatGPT, the wonder machine that knows. It's changing the world we live in, making the impossible a win-win.